yellow, green, red, pink, purple, blue, orange, green, red, green, red, red car. Oh, look how cute it is. It's got 4 wheels and doors that open. I think I can see inside. Let's open the other door. Oh, I can see the steering wheel. Can you see it? Let's turn it around. I'll close the doors. 1 and 2. Vroom, vroom. Let's go for a drive. Beep, beep. Blue, green, blue, green. Blue car. Let's open the doors. Hi there. Vroom, vroom. Beep, beep. 1 door. I can see inside. Let's look at the back. I can see 2 red stoplights. Let's open the other door. Close the door. 1 and 2. Orange, yellow, orange, yellow. Orange truck. It's a very useful truck because it can carry stuff on its back. Let's spin it around. Hi there. Open the door. Let's open the other one. Look, I can see inside. I can see the steering wheel. Close the door. Vroom, vroom. Let's go and do some work. Vroom, beep, beep. Orange, pink, orange, pink. Yellow van. Let's turn it around. Hi there. I think it has a door that opens on the other side. Oh, it has lots of seats. Close the door. Let's go camping. Boom, boom. Oh. Boom, boom. Beep, beep. Thanks for watching Rainbow Learning. If you'd like to see more of our videos,
Please subscribe.